Hey folks, today I want to introduce you to a pretty common and pretty simple task that is updating or changing some text on your website. And we're going to go again with Nelia's website. We're just going to take a moment to browse her website just so I can show you what it looks like. This is her front page, right? And then, we have stuff like her dates, her calendar. We have a photo gallery. We have a buy page where you can buy her album, or we have a page about her biography. Now, we want to change something on the front page. So let's say Nelia says, hey, I want to change the description of this little blurb about discovering my music. How would I go about that? Now, there's a couple of ways to get into the Beaver Builder, which is the page builder and the website builder that you are going to use to make these kinds of changes. Now, the first way is when you're logged in, so this bar needs to be present, and you're looking at the page, then all you need to do is just click on Beaver Builder. Just click here, not on any of that stuff that appears in the dropdown, but just here. But there's other ways as well, so we're going to look at them first. If you're still in the back end of your website, then you can go to Pages, you can look at All Pages, and then you can find the page that you want to edit. So let's say in this case we want to edit her front page, Nelia Birkin. So you go here and you just click on Beaver Builder, or you click on the page and then you click on Launch Beaver Builder. And then what you can still do is use this drop down that we looked at just a moment ago, and you go say Beaver Builder and you click on the name of the page that you want to change, and that is this one. And now the Beaver Builder will activate. You will see now there is a white bar up here, and it asks you if it's if you're done, and you can add stuff. So I'm just going to give you a very quick tour, but we're going to get right on to changing the text, which is what we really want to do. Just to show you, this is what it looks like if you don't have Beaver Builder active, and if you do have Beaver Builder active, this is what it looks like. There are some options here. There are tools for you that you can use, and here you have a sidebar where you can drag and drop all kinds of contents into the page to change the looks and to change the contents of the page. None of this we want to do, but I figured I'd show it to you so you see it once. What we want to do is change the text right here. So it's really simple. You hover your mouse here, you're going to see this little blue rectangle appear, and you click on it and you change the text. Now you've changed it. You click on Save. It works very similar to what you're used to from Microsoft Word, so you could just highlight this by double clicking on it, and you could make it bold. You can make this in italics, right? And you can add a list if you want. All of these things are possible. And I mistyped it twice. You can click here and you get even more options. You can change the font size, you can change the color, you can add a separator. So a lot of different options. You can even add media. I could, if I wanted to, just put a picture into the middle of this text by clicking Add Media, and just from the library selecting, let's say this one, right? Insert into Post, and there it is. It appears right here. If I save this now, then you can see this is the change that we have made. Now, we are, of course, not going to save this because, I don't want to actually change Nelia's website. So what you would need to do if you wanted to change it is you would click on Done, and then you would click on Publish. You could also save it as a draft. You can discard it, or you can select a quick save option. If you click Publish, the Beaver Builder is going to close and you're going to go back here. If you click on Quick Save, the Beaver Builder is going to stay open, but the page will save. So it's going to save your work. Now, I'm going to click on Discard because I don't want to save the changes. But in just a nutshell, it's as easy as going here, enabling Beaver Builder, scrolling down to where you want to make your changes in the text, making the changes, clicking Save, and then clicking Publish at the top, clicking Done, and then Publish. That is it. Thank you very much for watching, and in the next videos we'll look at some more features of Beaver Builder. Bye!